So coughing is a big sin today. People are buying cough syrups from the market. My suggestion is to use tulsi honey because it has benefits of both the tulsi as well as honey. Tulsi honey is made from real flowers by the bees, and it's a perfect solution for your cold and cough issues. Thank you.